CPT JJ-CPV Evaluation and Management E&M Services Guidelines. The page is number 8 and the part of this page is number 3. And we are studying the factors that contribute to the codes. And we're still continuing time, right? And one of the things, one of the points is that since work is not easily quantifiable, it means that you can't put a number to it. Work 1, work 2, work 3, what's the value of that? There's no way to do that. So the codes must
rely on other objective, verifiable measures that
correlate
with physicians' estimate of their work.
Right. So now we have to rely on other things that we can measure, right? And those are just the way that physicians estimate their work, how they see their work. Is it hard? Is it easy? Is it regular? Right? So those are the objective and verifiable measures that we have to use now, instead of just saying this work is valid like 10% or 20% or any other quantity, right? So now there's a little more study for part-time versus full-time for CPT, right? The hours and the impact on CPT, right?
Yes.
Or an OPT. What's OPT? We'll have to find that out, okay?
Yep.
But CPT is the code that we're studying, which is current procedure terminology, right?
Right.
All right. So that's our theory for today, and now we're going to do a problem. So ready, set, go. Okay, the code is CPT JJ-RVA, page 248, exercise 13, right?
Right.
And this is a level 0 exercise. Level 0 means that it's a very easy exercise. Anybody with just an hour of explaining how to code can do it. And of course, a basic knowledge of terminology. And this is, the keywords are?
Anesthesia and vascular shunt.
Anesthesia, vascular shunt. And as you know, vascular shunt is the way that the body moves the blood around. It's like a transportation of blood from this place to another. It's a shunt. It's a vascular shunt, right? So, and the text reads,
anesthesia.
Uh-huh.
Code anesthesia for placement of vascular shunt in forearm.
Code anesthesia for placement of vascular shunt in forearm. Okay, so that is the procedure. And now we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and then give us the code for this procedure. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is 01844. Did you get that? Remember that it's anesthesia, so all anesthesias are 0. So you should have gotten at least the first digit. Okay, but the total answer is 01844. If you got that, congratulations. You can go to the next video. If you didn't get it, let's help you out a little bit. So the tip. Why is it level 0 explanation?
Level 0 explanation. It's a straightforward approach.
Yeah, it's straightforward. You just follow the rules of coding and you will get there. There's no way to miss it. You start with
anesthesia.
Yeah, that's as far as we can tell you, because from there is just follow the next keyword and then you will get it, okay? And now, if you want to know what this is, Stephanie has selected the best videos from YouTube, and all those best videos, as you know, they have the A+ sign after the title of the video. So all the A+ sign videos are good to watch to understand the procedure. And if you only have time for one, just watch the first one, because they are ordered in importance. I mean, the most important ones are on top. Okay, and if you are very interested in this, you can keep reading here and clicking in the other ones. This one is also A+, but these two are not A+, but you can just read it. Regularly, the ones that are not A+ are usually text that you can read about. Okay, so you have everything now. You have the tips, you have the links, and at the bottom you have the answer. Okay, this is the answer to the problem. Okay, since you have everything, now we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and give us the path. how we got to the answer. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the summary of the whole problem. The code, our internal code is CPT JJ-RVA, page 248, exercise 13, and this is a level 0 exercise, and the keywords are anesthesia, vascular, shunt. And the problem reads, anesthesia section of the CPT code book, and they ask you to code anesthesia for the placement of a vascular shunt in forearm. There's only one code, and the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First, you go to index.
Go to index.
You start with the letter A, anesthesia.
Go to the index, and the index is alphabetically. You start in the letter A, and you find anesthesia. And then?
Then you go to vascular shunt.
Then you go a little to the right, right? There's an indentation, and you're gonna find vascular shunt. And next to it, there's a code, right?
Right.
Which is?
01844.
01844. So that should be the code, but we have to check it in tabular. So the code 1 through the tabular is checked like this.
First, you go to tabular.
Go to the tabular.
You start with the code 01844.
You start with the code that you found from the index, right? And you read. What does it say?
Anesthesia for vascular shunt.
Which is exactly what we need. So that's why there's an equal sign there, and the answer is that 01844. Okay, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our website, and also you can subscribe to our videos by just clicking in the subscribe button, and you will get
up to 3 videos every day that we make. ICD-10, CPTs, all that's needed to pass the medical coding certification exam.
So don't forget to visit our website and subscribe to our videos. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.